In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add schema markup to your Wix pages. Whether you're trying to enhance your site's SEO or gain insights into site performance, understanding how to integrate schema markup can be a game changer. It's a straightforward process once you know where everything is, and today, I'm here to walk you through it. First, let's kick things off by opening up your site in the Wix editor. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. If you're using Wix Studio, don't worry, the steps are virtually identical. So once you're in, navigate to the page that needs this special touch of schema markup. Once you've located your page, it's time to dive into the SEO settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to optimize your site. Look for the SEO Basics section and then head into the Advanced SEO tab. Sometimes this path might be a little tricky to find depending on your layout, but a bit of exploring will get you there. Moving on to the Pages and Menu section, or its equivalent, scroll until you find the page you're working on. Once you've got your page, look for those three little dots next to it, often labeled as More Actions. It's like finding the secret gateway to further customization options. Click it, and then revisit SEO Basics within this menu. You'll want to drop into the Advanced SEO tab from here as well. Now that you're in the right spot, you should see a section titled Structured Data Markup. And this part is crucial. It's where the main action happens. We're ready to add your custom JSON LD code, but before you do, ensure your code is ready to go. A well-prepared JSON LD code is essential for a smooth integration, so double-check those brackets and colons. Hit the button that says plus add new markup, or something similar like add new schema. This is your cue to paste your custom JSON LD code into the provided field. Make sure it reflects exactly what you want Google and other search engines to know about your page. If you need help drafting the JSON LD code, there are online tools and resources that can generate it based on your specific needs. Once you've pasted your carefully crafted code, it's time for the grand finale, applying your changes. You'll see options like Apply or Save. Click on whichever one you see to save your hard work, and there you have it. Once everything's saved, don't forget to publish your page changes to make them live. This will ensure that your schema markup is up and running for search engines to detect. It might take a little while for search engines to reflect these changes, but rest assured, you've done everything right to give your page a boost. Thanks for following along, and happy optimizing.